Hermes Gasparini will hand 100% the Fitlevan Segnashvili. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. Hermes will the Fitlevan because he can back press 100 kilo thanks to this movement he can perform strong pronation moves meaning that he holds Levan in a top row and press sideways he will 100% win. He can easily do a single arm 80 kilo biceps curl and performs 100 biceps curl for 5 reps. This is proof that he will win the reach match. Of course, Levan is also training Neghart, but Hermes Gasparini will bring him doom from the top of the mountain. Guys, please subscribe to my channel now and support me. I can't ask you.